Hi everyone, so this is going to be a short tutorial on how you can register for the World Parkinson's Program weekly exercise program, so our seniors wellness program. When you click on the registration link you either found on our website or through an email that was sent to you or on our social media channels, you will be sent to this page right here. Okay, and it will say webinar registration at the top, but don't worry, this is registration for the Seniors Wellness Program that will happen weekly on Saturdays at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So when you are on this page, what you want to do is scroll down and you have to fill in this information right here. Okay, I have already filled in the information, but you will have to type it out yourself. So I'm going to type it out again. So you're going to put in your first name, your last name, and then your email address in both of these boxes. It has to be the same email address in both of these bottom boxes, okay? And sometimes you will be prompted to click on this. I'm not a robot. This only happens sometimes. So you have to click on this little box right here. When you click on it, you will see a green check mark pop up, which means you're cleared. And then you have to click on register, this bright blue button right here. When you click on register, this page will pop up. At the top it will say webinar registration approved. So you have successfully registered for our weekly exercise wellness program. Okay. You will also receive this email, this information in an email, that email address that you entered in the previous page. You're going to open up that email, whatever it is, and you will see an email from me, Sadia. You're going to click on it to open it, and you will have this information. So first and foremost, thank you for registering for the Seniors Wellness Program. Again, it's confirmed that you are registered. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the session. So right before the session starts at 10:30 on Saturdays, what can you do to join quickly?